Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and maybe replace or repair the starter motor on Skoda Fabia. The procedure is similar for most Skoda cars and even Volkswagen cars. The starter is located on the front of the engine, so in order to get to it we're going to be removing this engine cover and then we're going to remove the battery and the whole battery housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the battery housing is removed, we have access to the starter motor. The starter motor is right there. The starter motor is held by two bolts, which are on the upper side, right there, and one on the bottom. This is the upper bolt. There is a nut on the front of it with it holding the ground line. And this right there is the power cable that we need to remove. Also there is an electrical connector for the solenoid cable that we also need to remove. Now that we've removed this plastic on the power cable, now we're going to remove the nut holding the power cable. Next we're going to remove the nut holding the ground cable. That nut is on, again, like I said, on the upper bolt of the starter motor. We need to remove the nut and remove the ground cable, and afterwards we're going to remove the bolt holding the starter motor. That's the upper bolt almost removed. Now we're going to go underneath the car and remove the lower bolt. Before removing the lower bolt of the starter motor, first we need to remove this engine under tray. And now we have access to the starter motor from underneath the car. Next we're going to remove the lower bolt holding the starter motor, but before removing that bolt, there is a nut on that bolt holding this metal plate. First we're going to remove the nut, move the metal plate to the side, and then remove the bolt. Now that the nut and the metal plate are removed, we have access to the bolt. That's the bolt right there. Now next we're going to remove it. And that's the lower bolt of the starter removed. Next we're going to remove the starter, but we're going to remove it from top of the car because there is more space there. Now we're going to remove the upper bolt of the starter motor and take out the starter motor, and now we can repair it or replace it with a new one, and assembling it is in the exact reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching.